Hello YouTube, I just wanted to show you a couple more features that the Internet Explorer provides. Didn't really get into anything last one, I just showed you that it was there. So the first thing I want to notify you about is they have this thing called the hub, which for some reason just flashed my screen, but anyway, takes you to this page, but you can bring up your hub, which has your featured, and then you can go to your recent websites, which I have none. And you have your favorites, which you can add favorites to your internet browser on your Xbox 360. And then under featured they have Facebook, which is fully working. I already signed into it. It completely works. It's awesome. So that's pretty much, but then they got the basic controller features, which is just, you can zoom in, zoom out with your controller, which you would hope to expect out of it. And then they have another thing called Smart Glass that is actually something they had at E3, which is going to be able to feature your phone being your controller. Being able to move this little cursor, you'll be able to do that from your Android, Apple device, or tablet. Now, this really is kind of a cool thing, like, as you can see here. There's a lot that they're starting to add, and of course they have the standard, Connect features, which lets you search and stuff with your Connect. And then of course they have the safety feature, which they always would, which allows you to set certain things like block certain websites and stuff, just as if you were doing on your normal computer. So far it's really a nice application. There really isn't very many bugs with it, other than, like I said, it's annoying, in my opinion, that you can't go and have Flash Player on it yet. But other than that, I mean, it's a full application, and it's a full web browser, and it's pretty awesome. I mean, I wish I could go install Google Chrome, and I wish I could go download Chrome and then hit accept and install, but you can't do that because that would be mean to Microsoft. But it is nice, because like if you have your Android, you can go to the Play Store and you can browse your shop and music and stuff right from your Xbox and download it right onto your thing, and it really is nice. I mean, they'll soon be adding, according to what I've heard, they'll soon be adding more to the browser. But like I said in the previous video, this is just a beta for certain people right now. Not everybody has it, so it's pretty much just giving it to us. So whenever we use it, they're just monitoring what we're doing and how we're doing on it and if we like it. But I like it's extremely easy to add to favorites. All you do is just add to favorites, and right there it is, added to the favorites. And then you have your settings, and your settings include turning on the smart screen filter to help protect against unsafe websites. It's basically just like a virus protection, or really simple virus protection for your Xbox 360 Internet Explorer. And then it has send my browsing history to Microsoft to help improve Microsoft products and services, which, once again, if you check that, which I don't have it checked because I haven't really messed with it a lot, I haven't had time, but if you check that, basically the people that try to go to YouTube, they'll see that and say, okay, now we need to embed Flash Player. So that's what they're going to try to do. Use web pages formatted for mobile devices. So, like I said, a lot of things don't work with Flash Player, but you can hit that, and then you can search m.youtube.com, and then you can still look at videos. And then use TV screen to show web content. I mean, that's already checked. Allow websites to store cookies on my Xbox, which a lot of Xboxes need that. And then at the bottom right, you have your IP address for your Xbox. And even if you've seen it, you can't do anything with it. But anyway, there's just a bunch of stuff you can do. It's really easy. It's very user-friendly. And I really do like it a lot. And I can't wait to see what their improvements are going to be on the on it in general. So anyway, this is Super Xbox 360. I'll be bringing you more if there's any more updates with it. But for now, that's just the basic standards and basic features that you can have with Internet Explorer. And like I said, in about 2 months or less, you'll be able to get a little bit more stuff. And once you can get the little bit more stuff, everybody will start using it. Like, you'll go on and see, you know, people using it. And the nice thing is, though, is like I've seen where you can go onto your friends, and some of my friends will be using it. Like, I don't think anybody's using it right now. Nope, everybody's playing Minecraft because it updated. Anyway, whenever it shows, it is private. It's just you. Nobody else can see the website you're on and stuff like that. So, you know, if you're on Facebook and you're viewing your friends and you don't want them to know who you're viewing and you don't want them to be able to just copy the URL, then it won't do that, and you can't make it do that. So that's a benefit. Anyway, like I said, Super Xbox or 360. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Subscribe, like, favorite, pleases, thank yous. Anyway, goodbyes.